Good morning, student. I am Kuldeep Srivastava. I am going to start your second chapter, which is fraction. And in this chapter, we will see definition of fraction, meaning of fraction, various types of fraction. Now, first of all, we see that what is the meaning of fraction. Okay, meaning. Fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is what? Fraction is a part of whole. And when we write 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2 is fraction and 1 upon 4 is also a fraction. What is the meaning of 1 upon 2? Meaning of 1 upon 2 is one part out of these two parts. Okay, and when we draw a rectangle, this is one rectangle, and when we divide it into two equal parts, we divide into two equal parts. This is first part and this is second part. Okay, total part is 2, and when we take one part out of these two parts, suppose this one first part and this is second or rest part, it means one part out of these two parts is what? Is 1 upon 2. Shaded part is 1 upon 2 and non-shaded part is also 1 upon 2. Okay, if we take shaded part, then this one is 1 upon 2, and when we take non-shaded part, then this part is 1 upon 2. And when we write 1 upon 4, then what is the meaning of 1 upon 4? 1 upon 4 is the one part out of these four parts. Okay, one is what? One is numerator and 4 is denominator. One is one part and 4 is total part. It means when we draw a rectangle and denominator is 4, now we equally divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. But numerator is 1, it means one part out of these 4 parts. One part out of these 4 parts. It means the value of shaded part is 1 upon 4, and rest is what? Shaded part is 1 upon 4. It means one part out of these 4 parts. Okay, and non-shaded part is 3. Then what is fraction? What is fraction of non-shaded part? Non-shaded part, it means 1, 2, 3. It means non-shaded part is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, fraction of non-shaded part is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, student. Now we are going to discuss definition. Definition of fraction. Meaning is what? Meaning is fraction is a part of whole, and meaning is what? Definition is what? The numbers are in the form of a upon b. It means a number is in the form of a upon b, and a and b is what? A is numerator of the fraction and b is what? Denominator of the fraction. So the numbers are in the form of a upon b, where a and b are natural numbers, is known as fraction. Okay, it means definition of fraction is what? The numbers are in the form of a upon b, where a and b are integers, then a upon b is known as fraction. And notice a upon b is a fraction in which a is what? A represent numerator of the fraction and b is what? B represent denominator of the fraction. Okay, student, a number which can written in the form of a upon b. Okay, now we will see types of fraction. Okay, now there are various types of fraction like proper fraction, improper fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, vulgar fraction, decimal fraction, and mixed fraction, and so on. Okay. Now, types of fraction. Decimal fraction. Okay, first types of fraction is what? First type is decimal fraction, and decimal fraction is what? A fraction whose denominator, is any part of a fraction whose denominator are in the form of 10, 100, 1000, etc. Okay, it means a fraction whose denominator are in the form of 10, 100 and 1000, then that type of fraction is known as decimal fraction. For example, 2 upon 10, 5 upon 100, 500 upon 10,000, etc. It means denominators are in the form of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and so on. Then that type of fraction is known as what? Is known as decimal fraction. Okay. Now second type of fraction is vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction. Then what is vulgar fraction? Vulgar fraction, it means a fraction whose denominator are not in the form of 10, 100, 1000, etc. Okay, a fraction whose denominator are not in the form of 10, 100, 1000, etc. Then that type of fraction is known as vulgar fraction. For example, 3 upon 5, 7 upon 3, and so on. We see that numerator is 3, 7, denominator is 5 and 3. 5 and 3 is not in the form of 10, 100 and so on. That's why the given fraction are known as vulgar fraction. Okay. And third type of fraction is proper fraction. Proper fraction. Okay. A fraction, proper fraction is what? A fraction whose numerator is less than denominator. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is known as proper fraction. For example, 3 upon 7, 1 upon 2. Okay, student? And according to proper fraction, we see that 3 upon 7 and 1 upon 2. 3 is what? 3 is numerator and 1 is also in numerator. 7 is denominator, 2 is also denominator. And when we see the fraction 3 upon 7, then we see that 3 is less than 7. It means numerator is less than denominator. That's why we can say that 3 upon 7 is the proper fraction. And when we see 1 upon 2, then 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. Therefore, numerator is less than denominator. Then 1 upon 2 is the example of proper fraction. Next type of fraction is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay. Improper fraction. Improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to denominator. Then that type of fraction is known as improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is known as improper fraction. Okay, for example, 5 upon 3, 21 upon 9. Okay, 21 upon 9. 5 is greater than 3, 21 is also greater than 9. Okay, therefore we see that numerator is greater than its denominator. 21 is greater than 9, it means numerator is greater than denominator. Therefore the given fraction is an example of improper fraction. Next fraction is like fraction. Like fraction, it means of fractions having the denominators are same. Okay, having the denominators are same. Suppose we write 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 7 upon 3, 2 upon 3, etc. Okay, it means having the denominators are same. Denominator 3, 3, 3 and 3. Okay, then that type of fraction is known as like fraction. And next type of fraction is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction is what? Unlike fraction, it means different, having the different denominator, having the different denominator, then that type of fraction is known as unlike fraction. Suppose 5 upon 3, 7 upon 4, 5 upon 7, it means denominators are 3, 4 and 7. Denominators are different from each other, then that type of fraction is known as unlike fraction. Next fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is what? Mixed fraction, a number which can expressed as the sum of natural number like 1, 2, 3 and so on. It means a fraction which can express in the form of as the sum of natural number and proper fraction, then that type of fraction is known as mixed fraction. Okay student, mixed fraction is what? Mixed fraction, a fraction can be expressed as the sum of natural number and proper fraction is known as mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction is the sum of natural number and proper fraction. Suppose we write 7 upon 3. Okay, 7 upon 3. 7 is divisible by 3, not fully divisible by 3. But when we write 3 2s are 6, 1. 7 is dividend, 3 is divisor, 2 is quotient and 1 is remainder. Then when we write mixed fraction, is equal to sum of natural number. Quotient is what? Natural number. Then we write 2 and proper fraction. It means remainder divided by denominator. 2 1 upon 3. It means 2 is what? 2 is natural number and 1 upon 3 is what? Proper fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 3. Now 7 upon 3 is equal to, we can write 2 whole 1 upon 3. This is what? This is our mixed fraction. Okay student, thank you class.